Hola, ¿cómo estás? Te saluda Royce en tu canal Vivir Digital. Llevo aproximadamente 8 días probando este TempoTec V6 con estos auriculares, los Moondrop Blessing 2, y te puedo asegurar que este dispositivo transmite un sonido completamente transparente hacia estos auriculares. La combinación es muy buena.
I was really surprised how well this DAP could drive these S12 planars. I'm listening to EDM and there's so much detail in the mids and highs with these AK chips in it. It's really nice.
Love the look of this TempoTec V6. Been listening to this with the Moondrop Blessings and the Tri-Chi. Groups like Blues Travelers and other rock bands sounds clear. Excellent dynamics, very well balanced sounding. Love it.
I'm listening to one of my favorite rock albums. FiO FF3 earbuds plugged to TempoTec's new V6 DAP, which has dual AKM DAC chips. It has an impressive, technically brilliant and organic sound. The TempoTec V6 has a good amount of output power in its elegant body.